Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! Good morning people of the universe and good morning guys! So for today's video, we are heading back to Manila and we are saying goodbye to our room dito sa Bacolod City. So we are staying in Bacolod for the past few days. And of course guys, wala pa rin tayong video at mag-i-edit pa ako. So anyways,
what's up?
Morning Jax!
Hello.
So, ayan yung ating gamit guys. We are heading to the international airport pero domestic lang tayo for today's video. So, nakita nyo kung gaano kalinis ang ating mga bed, ang mga lagim ni Jax. So, ang mga lagim ni Jax is here.
Yes, I am.
So, ayun na guys, mamaya ulit. So, bulaga! So, ayan na guys, mamaya ulit. Isasama namin kayo sa aming next hotel quick tour sa ating adventure. So this is our last vacation guys. So before sister and ate will heading back to Australia kasi mauuna silang bumalik sa amin sa Australia. So anyways guys, happy watching!
Yung
read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you. Exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
We are now ready to depart for Manila. Only in Kumanapy aircraft is Captain Montemayor, ably assisted by First Officer Shopcon. Our flying time is approximately 55 minutes. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Montemayor sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Shopcon. Tayo po ay nilipad ng mahigit kumulang 55 minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around.
Takeoff stations.
pretty good. Runway, that's a lot. We have to wait for that to land.
pala eh.
Mall buildings again.
Yeah, they're all far away. Okada is there. Midlands. We're not ready. Our teacher is on
Yeah, I'm surprised because I always get hit as soon as I lay down after drinking. I get head spins and then I come to bed. So I'm bed now.
Welcome to the Philippines. Yay. People aren't dancing even though it's not yet.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to International Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort,
Probably
please
get some
remain
water and
seated
towel
with your
and maybe let's
seatbelts
bottle up.
fastened until the
Let's skip
captain
the
turns off the
business after
fasten
the way.
seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or CEBGO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation. For passengers with onward international flights on Cebu Pacific, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For passengers with onward domestic flights on Cebu Pacific or SEPGO, please be advised that you are required to clear immigration first, claim your checked baggage, and clear through customs before proceeding to the transfer desk at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
It's supposed to be hard out of here anyway. It's always the first
On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Montemayor and First Officer Shalcon, together with your cabin crew, we have Ed, Rico, Bianca, Lawrence, and Mish. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important
out of my
moment.
head.
It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear the pockets of any remaining litter, and please do this with you as you do your tea. You may dispose this bin
Sorry, I just held my
this in the
thing.
bin near the end. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais nang itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Kunyari po lamang na dalhin ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po. And for guests with the infant life shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant life inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is the service of it.
Yeah, listen, it's simple. Don't forget to sign that. Catch that much.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated. For guests needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to maintain last or proper ground endorsement. Sa mga panauhing nangangailangan ng tulong tulad ng wheelchair, kayo po ay pinapayuhang muling bababa ng eroplano. Maraming salamat po.
Makati City guys na nakita nyo kanina. Wala lang akong clip ng ating Valero Suite Grand Swiss Bell Hotel dito sa Makati. We're still in the same hotel. If you haven't yet checked my old previous vlog, guys, sa ating Valero Grand. So, we will stay here for 4 days and 3 nights before Sister and Ate Jane heading back to Australia. Kasi mauna silang umuwi pupuntang Australia. We are still staying here sa Manila for 1 week pa before we heading back to Australia. And then after that, guys, after 4 days, we are heading to USA na. So, for the next vlogs, you will see some of the videos now of the USA vlog, guys. So, anyways, nakita nyo ating flight from Bacolod Silay International Airport dito sa Bacolod City. So, ayun na nga guys. So, matatapos na ang ating bakasyon sa Philippines, Bacolod, and then we're heading back to Australia for 4 days, and then we are heading to USA. So that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos, and mega love shout out to each wonderful beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po. See you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao!